Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more amazing videos. Horse saved from raging river after 2-hour battle with current. A woman was walking in Ontario, Canada, when she spotted something in the raging river next to her. She had no idea what it was or what to expect. Keep watching this amazing story. Pretty incredible. I wonder what it is. Upon closer look, she realized it was a horse who was quickly sinking. Rescue teams worked very carefully to help this drowning horse. Rescuers tied a rope around the horse's neck. It took several attempts to get the rope around its neck. Boulders in the water prevented the horse from being able to climb on land. The horse was finally pulled onto the riverbank where he slept with exhaustion. The horse weighed over 500 pounds. These rescuers are true heroes. What a heroic act of these rescuers. I'm glad to learn the poor horse is going to be okay. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspirational stories.